Hey guys, hope you are all having a great Friday. News came out directly from Xbox that seemed to point to a big change that will forever change the video game industry and therefore, GameStop as well. Before I start, please drop a like on the video and don't forget to join our free Discord if you are interested in getting day trade alerts or receive educational material. With that said, let's get started. I made a video a couple days ago where I discussed, in detail, Microsoft's business strategy regarding pretty much all their products and services. Microsoft's idea of getting you to own their physical products in order to have access to their services is long gone. This is a thing of the past. Instead, they are embracing new changes where they want to be a subscription-based company. This change is true of their video game segment. Over the years, because Xbox's failed attempt to really compete against Sony's PlayStation and Nintendo's Switch, they had to pivot away from trying to sell people fully priced games and instead get them to subscribe to a service that would allow them to monetize them monthly and have access to a full library of video games, including the newer ones. Game Pass has been a resounding success for Xbox, and with its growth, we have seen a significant reduction in the sales of physical copies. Now, Game Pass is not only available on Xbox consoles only, but also on PCs, on smart TVs, on mobile phones, on tablets, and rumors are that Xbox is trying to get this on competing consoles as well like Nintendo. Microsoft's strategy is to put Game Pass in as many devices as possible to increase the amount of paying customers. Well, what does this have to do with GameStop, you might be asking? According to various leakers and industry insiders, Xbox has reportedly shut down the departments dedicated to bringing games to physical retail. News came out yesterday that said the company plans to lay off 1,900 staff across Xbox. The cuts are believed to be wide-ranging, impacting various areas of Microsoft's gaming business from customer service to development. According to Windows Central editor Jez Corden sources, Microsoft has also shut down departments dedicated to bringing Xbox games to physical retail, which if you've seen the digital-only Xbox console leaks and you can get an idea of where Microsoft is going here. Legal documents leaked in September potentially laid bare key elements of Microsoft's gaming strategy for years to come, including plans to launch an adorably all-digital Xbox Series X console codenamed Brooklyn. While its plans may have changed, according to the documents, the console was targeting a November 20, 2024 launch and a $499 price point. Daniel Ahmad, Director of Research and Insights at Nico Partners, said there are certain AAA games with 80% digital shares on Xbox these days, so it's not too surprising, and it's indicative of how next general will be for sure. While most AAA games currently receive dual physical and digital releases, some are only available to download. High-profile examples include last October's Alan Wake 2 and Xbox's Hellblade 2, which will be released in May. Analyst Matt Piscatella said players should expect digital-only releases for consoles to become commonplace over the next few years. Digital-only AAA releases are here, he wrote. Over the next 2 years this trend will accelerate, and by 2028 or so I think it'll be the norm for most Xbox and PS releases. Nintendo likely won't move as fast, but then again it's Nintendo and they're always full of surprises. So the writing is already in the wall. It is clear that Xbox is moving in a strong direction to make digital-only products and they are moving very fast towards it. It makes sense too, given that doing so will mean getting rid of third-party middlemen businessmen like Walmart, like Best Buy and like GameStop. This news came out just after I have been saying GameStop has 4 to 5 more years of being relevant. As soon as the next generation of video game consoles comes out, GameStop's entire business model will be irrelevant, so pivoting away from it is key for long-term success. GameStop needs to act now. It needs to be very proactive in shifting away from video game retail and into a holding company and into online commerce selling more products than video games, because otherwise the company is done for. I look forward to hearing more from GameStop and their CEO in the coming future. If there is one thing I dislike about GameStop is how quiet they are. As shit as the board members and CEO of AMC have turned out to be, at least they established good communication with their investors. I want to hear about GameStop's forward strategy given all the changes. I want to hear more about where they plan to invest the near $1 billion that their CEO will be able to manage. As I said on my last video, depending on the types of investments made, GameStop could be sitting very pretty. The company has become incredibly efficient reducing costs, but we need to start seeing it grow. Good investments could yield upwards of 5% and at top, 10% income through cash dividend payouts in some of the best ETFs in the market. That alone could mean GameStop would bring $50 to $100 million cash per year more or less, though taxes would be a significant thing to contend with. That's why I think a good diversified portfolio between growth and dividend income paying securities would be the most appropriate. If the company can get solid income on a monthly basis, it would help them fund new business initiatives without taking that much risk. The future is incredibly interesting as it is challenging for this company, and I want to hear more from them than ever before. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know what you think of GameStop long term and come over and join our Discord. With that said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you on the next one.